Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
I felt it like, you feel me, when I was first. I ain't missed no shots though, hold on. Alright y'all boys, welcome back to the channel. Finna get us a quick little POV in. As y'all can see by the title, this is a Scat Pack POV with the ARP. I'm finna show y'all in a minute. But really we finna just go cut up and then shoot the ARP real quick. Something simple, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all check out the person on this screen too. That's who I got the idea from for this video. Finna be a smooth little video. We gonna hop straight into it for real.
I don't be around goofy niggas. I be with them stubbers. I spend on me, commit a sin, tryna meet the devil. Lot of stars too high, blue metal. I work hard to get verified, I don't need no blue metal. I really don't like it here, the world is full of dick riders. Never know who your rival. The bro been spinning, but I know he tired.
As y'all can see, this is the ARP right here. Right now I got a 30 round mag in it. Shoot 5.56. Got a 4.75 inch barrel and a flash hider muzzle. But shit, yeah, this is my first time shooting it since I put this barrel on. It was an AR-15, but I changed the barrel to an ARP barrel. But yeah, we finna go let this shit off. Catch y'all boys there. This motherfucker smooth as hell. I done had this shit since I was like, I forgot how old. Ready to shoot it though, I ain't gonna lie. Who is this third scat behind us? It's some old head in a scat following us. Who he feeling like? Who he feeling like? Shit fly up on the road, like what the fuck was that? These folk don't move out the way. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't dog my car in a minute. That's why y'all see I'm over 200 miles on the full tank. I used to be at like 200 to 180 if I dog my car, but I ain't dogging in a minute, bro, so I'm at over 200. We ain't doing nothing too crazy right now. Like, bro, look at this pussy ass nigga trying to brake check me. The fuck? ain't lie, this sun bright as hell. And at the time of this recording, they talking about it's the first official day of summer. Nigga, so what the fuck we been through, bro? It been hot as hell. Oh, I'm stupid. Roll these windows up. I know that shit got loud. Oh my God, it's this same stretch right here. It'll be like a 5-minute stretch where we hit traffic for no apparent reason. I hate that shit. Oh my God. Why is that shit smoking? How that nigga Price make it all the way up there? Like, bro, what are you doing? What I said, this shit is finna clear up. Watch, like, literally. That big Tonka ass. That big goof ass Cybertruck. A bit by this Tonka, a bit by this Tonka. Damn, bro, that sun killing my eyes. My left retina finna blow. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to hear it, but there's a slight faint whine coming from my engine. I promise you I'm not lying. You just gotta be in the car to hear it for real. There's a whine in my engine. No bullshit. Exit coming up in a minute. I hope you're paying attention. Damn, that nigga got his ass over. Gotta get our ass over. Make sure y'all boys drop a like and share this video so y'all can put me in the Hellcat for real. Damn, shit be sounding like somebody getting whipped behind us, boy. damn, I hate this little turn right here so much. We got these raggedy ass medians, and then we gotta make a quick ass turn because there's 3 lanes of cars coming. Like, what the fuck? Oh shit, my parking ass. I was not paying attention. But yeah, man. Ready to bust that motherfucking 5, boy. Ready to bust it. Hot as fuck. This barrel get hot as hell, I ain't gonna lie. Damn, this is what I shot. I ain't missed no shots though. Hold on. Let's talk about it. It's the only part about guns that suck, bro. Reloading the clip. Bullet number 400. Bullet number 401. Bullet number 402.
This shit hot as hell though, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh God, that shit smooth though.
That shit is smooth. That shit butter. I need to oil my shit, bro. That's what it is.
Yeah. This motherfucker hot as hell. That's 10 yards. That shit like 30. Hot as a bitch.
Here, bro. Try and hit my shit. I ain't gonna lie.
Huh?
Nah, keep this in.
Oh, bet. 300 blackout ARP. Damn, this big. Yeah, that big.
It probably came because I was trying to put that foam bitch on there. I ain't gonna lie, I was ramming that bitch on
Paul.
there. I didn't feel
Paul.
it. Chill. That was crazy, Paul. Chill. I felt it like, you feel me, when I was, bro.
This shit's still hot as hell, but it's at a more tameable temp. I think I put like between like 10 and 15 in here. So we just gonna see what it be do. Let it be work. This is like Call of Duty. Damn. But yeah, man, that's gonna wrap it up for today's POV for sure. I appreciate y'all boys checking out this channel, checking out this video. Make sure y'all tap in for some more videos like this. I got hella POVs on the way. Damn, is that a scratch on my wrap? Damn. But I'm probably gonna stick to the POVs for the most part for now, until I have more time to edit other videos, because POVs are way easier to edit. But yeah, I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all sub, make sure y'all follow my Instagram, and I'll catch y'all boys in the next one.
I think my death I'm all along. If I hit that switch, I'm by myself. 4D cool, we hopping down. No, he can't crack his that felt belt. OD man, my iPad died. I should've clapped him before he left. He on my head, but I can't go on Mitch to get off King. I had a dream, I seen my bro alive, but it was all a dream. I know I tell this head, I hit the Drake and made my